Good morning. Guess what today is? It is Monday, which means it's Meal Planning Monday. And I've been roughly planning my meals. I wonder where it went. Roughly planning. So, we are traveling. We're on the road for the next few months. And I am only working out of my truck camper pantry now. Not my full pantry that I have at my casita. So anyway, I have jotted down some notes. I've yet to write it out, but I'm also trying some new software. I'm working on better camera gear, angles, and everything for Cook With Me because I've been using my laptop, and so that's not working. So let's see. I'm recording this video using that software, so I'm going to see if this is going to work. And I'm using my phone as a second camera. So here we go. Let's see what we got here. Like I said, I'm using my truck camper pantry, and it's very windy here, so you're probably going to be hearing the wind. Alright, so today's Monday, and I have some carrots I need to use up, and I just don't know what I'm going to use carrots for. That's my journal. So I am going to use the carrots for some lentil soup. This is not going to be great lighting because lentil soup. And I will, see, I have some lentils and carrots. I need to use these carrots up. So that's pretty much why I'm doing this. So Tuesday is Cook With Me. I'll get better at this angle too. Cook with Cook with me. And since it's Tuesday, I don't think I've done a Taco Tuesday, have I? We're having Taco Tuesday. Yeah, I've already bought the stuff for tacos. I mean, I've got the cooked meat in the freezer. You probably saw some of that video of me batch cooking. So I don't need anything for that meal. Wednesday, I kind of got these out of order. I'm going to have easy chicken fajitas. And I have a video on this. Well, actually, I think I have two. Cooking one in my oven in my home base back a long time ago. And then in the Dutch oven a few years ago. So I'm going to use the chicken tenders that I have yet to cook. I want to cook more chicken. So I'm going to get those out of the freezer. And I have some bell peppers, the sweet bells, those little ones. I need to use up. And I have onions already. So it's kind of using some stuff up before it goes bad. Alright, Thursday, I'm defrosting that big ham that I got on sale for was it $10 or $12? So I'm defrosting that. I bought some sourdough bread. So we're just going to have ham sandwiches. Oh, the light went out on my camera. That's weird. Sandwiches. This isn't the best angle either. This is a recipe, my mom's recipes. And I'm going to start going through these, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that here in a bit. But I need to make those. So, ham sandwiches, which is potato chips. I actually bought a bag of potato chips. Thursday. Friday, it's going to be ham, black-eyed peas, and cornbread. Yeah. Saturday, garlic. This is going to be using some of that cooked meat that I have in the freezer. So I'm pull that out. Butter, chicken. I don't know if I've ever cooked this before. Orzo. And I think I'm going to try to add a little bit of the dehydrated shrimp. Brought that with me because I need to get that. Start eating that because it only has about a year's shelf life and it's been open. So that's Saturday. What do I have? Sunday. Oh yeah, more chicken. Chicken. It's kind of a chicken, but this is going to be chicken stir fry. And it's going to be broccoli. And I have some freeze-dried broccoli, so I'm going to use some of that. Some more of these carrots to get rid of it. Some more of those bell peppers. And onion. And I'm going to be following a recipe by budgetbites.com. So I'm going to make the sauce, everything from that recipe. So, what are y'all going to be having for dinner or lunch whenever I eat breakfast and then I eat dinner. So I only plan one main dish. But anyway, I'm going to be going through all these recipes and trying a new recipe and cooking a new recipe. But what I'm also going to be doing is, if you go over to my website, frugalrvgal.com, on the first page, scroll all the way down, and there'll be a sign-up box for my newsletter. If y'all will sign up for my newsletter, I'm going to start including some special recipes. This one I'd say was a good one. It got out of the box anyway and got cooked. Yeah, some of these are my mom's, some of them are from my grandmother's, some are from my mom's friends, and I'm going to start making some of these and trying them out and see if I like them, put them into my rotation. And you know me, I'm always looking for new recipes. So I thought that would be fun. Yeah, see, this one's my mom's. Because it says Hope's cornbread. So my mom's name was Hope, so I need to try that. I might use this for my cornbread this week. I'm going to leave that out. That might be the first recipe on the newsletter. Go to my website, frugalrvgal.com. On the first page, scroll all the way down. You can sign up for my newsletter there. And I will send y'all some recipes, just stuff I'm doing, things I'm working on, just a way to stay in touch. And then when you receive the email, then you can email me back. You can give me some suggestions on recipes or things like that. All right. Put down in the comments what y'all are eating this week, if you meal plan or if you don't. I know some of y'all don't, and I know some do. And I'll see y'all in the next video.